Amakwa babiem emfa emra bedwam dwumadie so on Adom TV. O share live so e DSTV channel 280. So na Go TV channel 119 so o share live and so hon me agebre ebetwe enko free sabre kopensa na nkono ebebo apemu. Mpensenpensemu ebre enie. Na meka se enne anwumre 4 pm pepepe. Adepam na ye lunch na otwi ye etwemu no. Ye yi lunch ni nyina live. It went me maybe went me and she be at that time and the 4 pm pepepe. Kosua tina TV, Adom TV ho. Na hunu adepam lunch, ye lunch ye no. Na ehwe ni nyina ebi. Ne fe ya na eye. Ahunka ya na ewobom. Na meka se kwesera we so adepam agidem. So maka cho say this year they say eye region bia ewo rep. Etimantem bia wo bia mo 16 regions no. O rep ewo adepam eso afi. Etitanachi ne vote mano na ontimi ewi nanya ni monyam hye enfama wo region no hye entare a wo pam about mo region no montare a mo hye sa pepepe na wo pam no na wi asai tatwana mo bia so asa pempa wo bia enso de ne osampa Ghana wo adewoye se Adom TV tika se adepam every Sunday bia at 4 pm on Adom TV man se ka se enefia day enwumre no 9 pepepe 4 pm ye be say yi the launch of Adepam 2023, the 3rd edition. No to me and so to me Ashebi. Happy birthday encore and Fama Jemima Asantua Ampedu. Executive Secretary Ewo Youth Employment Agency. And your birthday. Wish you all the best. Now on your kese such a selfless servant or sum ne mai e free nakumemu. From the CEO Kofi Ejapo and the entire staff of YS, we wish you happy birthday. So Jemima, happy birthday, encore. If once again, happy birthday, so come Deputy Minister for Finance. Onukra say member of Parliament this year what address so in Ashanti region. Ora John Kuma, and your birthday, and when you're 22 years. Happy birthday, Eko Efma John Kuma, Yabi H. no Nyo Kese. Abaja Fuatra se Babadi and Komo. Semino can say a year Marashi Virginia Genoma Adishia, a word Jama not. A man for friend Ahinkus, and one and a constituency. Honorable Ahinkus. And so, Enna, former member of parliament. We are so to and they on the year Eastern Regional Coordinator, Eddie Mother John Alan Kojo Chamatin campaign team. Feno, Samuel, I pay. I better work on it.
Yeah, I pay.
Yeah,
my you sound.
Okay, it's
you and just silence.
Okay.
So, because I pay.
Okay.
One sound, na, you I pay. Unsena you I pay be an obobo pa.
Yeah.
Yes. Do obey MP kra.
Okay.
Enya medin de I pay yinu sound.
Ekasa. Yino ekasa. Mama yino kasa. Don't say I pay.
Yes.
Yino ekasa. What was ye?
Yami Adom boko why fa no pay.
Yami ase. So tari dey back. And could be na bentina say atari effective into a victory mood beam. Oh. Because green here a from here.
From. I won't say my minchia waiting.
Okay.
Na this is to minchia yin so anofo. And there say bribians san no nang pepepe. Beko akofale me obligation.
Wow.
Yeah. Na bestre ayin so anofo. Me fimira bebe ye MP.
And here then the fourth coming.
No, the second coming of IEP.
There be say wako back.
There be another say continuous.
Okay.
So this is the second coming of IEP.
Coming. And I was other number 2.
Any president.
Okay.
You know. Na best me typhoon. We need me. Especially my campaign team. And ubiara offer me a send a text message. Say that be now file. Me that type. They know. 2004, na me contested in my first primaries. Me share me constituency chairman. On the street, okita na car. Na the chairman I come from me form. And I say, oh, me to me go office, but form no me care you. But you and I'm saying, me, Saturday bankers drive you to cash. Me the cash in the checking or the forms mommy. Me feeling I'm the control party office filed. There's no way I'm a bassy nipa momomo. Who contest elections? And your general elections. Yeah. And your internal elections. My confirm form the Grandma because I did pay needs I pay some beam and where your contribution will go for bremi. Who has a new yam? Until I say me respond. Na me ko serve wo. Me pamocho, me nkwa me driver. And 5 members of my campaign team and ye kwa file forms. Ye ko keke ma file wie ma ye me bankers draft and I made short meeting. Yan ko ye momomo bia. Want ya say, opasa wo to aba ma ye pay ya. Ye be sere ni dimara. Tena wufi. Na wankasa bisa ho se. Hina na be to aba yi mana. E be boa ayensu ya no. Okay. Na to ma no. Me see me and me driver. And 5 members of my campaign team. And ebo no nanga. They book a file. Did they be any? Me obi a make election. I don't copy what my opponents do. Okay. Obi I want a style. Yeah. Me style and say, sir, who to come to Canada? Na baby me uncle me ko srano otino. It's just close to baby MP no province Toronto me ko srano MP oh. That work is me ko offer me ko chia MP ni na Adom. Ya kwa na papa bi gina entrance na no a wo gina ho full donors. Na nkuya no gina ho. Ye chia no. Ohun me uncle ni pa no srawo. Me say, "Hi, Mr. Pay." We didn't come out and say this is my nephew, Honorable Ayepe. He's MP in one of the constituencies in Ghana. So, oh, I see. No be chiam. He was standing there. It's it, Mr. The way I imagine you be when the cost involved. It's the panel by MP we are now sort of neka. I feel well now complaining. Make I say, Obi high buses, VIP buses. It is full loaded. You use your now file forms. Filing kekeu ye news ye nya primaries no ye so we manipa no we ye ne yodum no obosa kai wi a na obeye MP no mu awa with the same person you tend to complain. I pay back and we from here and that's one green indicates fresh ideas. Okay, everything is fresh. And we are going to eat fresh. Me supporters in internet fee. Na me ko file mbra. Me file wi ameba won chen. Me di kan akọ nyina aso 270, 670. E no makodi nkomo. O mama me green light no. Se me ko file. Me ko file.
Samola Ayepe eye former MP4 Ayensua no so na bo Frederick ya ahenkwa eye MP4 Jama not. Ona work just mention.
Okay. Engineer so. Maybe
no.
Ocho.
Eric, you call law school. Onya chamber because share ya. I feel the sika buy no. Me say, me Eric to me fa phone. In frame na na kufa do ya ma mo. Wa ma nipa bi adiye.
Oh, wale.
Wa ben yi man na Eric eje. Eric Utiama.
Na say one man is scholarship.
Oh,
one man is scholarship.
Manage economy na na ma to pay you.
Economy de who dem
benefit.
Benefit.
Mo dem ye ne large.
Kana wa fono. Aye. But despite president, program multimedia. I saw you. It's only pet skin or the German. Skin. Also, be the actually skin. So that's Hannah. I bang be there. You be a friend of Rorenstein. Obiara yi no pe. You see, sa ben bi ba so. Na se niam anko ya. Wo hu nipa no ne physical appearance.
Baba Eric just watch ya.
Me kura ya me to me so. Me kura me to in opposition. Look at my muscles. Me opposition just say me as MP me need power be.
Okay. O part your power but who opposition?
Who did it? Show me body. Show ni papa di papa ifi jama no for I saw him. I remember papa. I'm not this. Who are the kajiate? That who are the kajiate?
Oh, last week never know she.
I'm not the ya you who chain. I was young kum. You're too needing Lawrence chain. You say any person here can not from Fanyasro. And we said, Niama, I think we agree. We admit it. President admit it. Finance minister admit it. Party chairman. Wanting, ababonting, abajatum, young communicators. The chitum, say, I'm heading. We agree, and I'm fuel.
Okay.
This is 12.95. It's going to 13 again. It's not, and yet, people was so be a chitum. No, we ain't kind of quite say. I want you to maybe my chain, we are not in that. And that's what I can hear. As I mean, cross, I bang be by 2014, 2015.
But I see, I pay.
We are not so such a new something.
What's going to say?
Yeah, me Adom. A hoboko.
Makwani abeye. Oh, there am a contract.
Contract there, yeah, the ama. For the past 3 years in it. We hear me quite now. I say, yeah, my contract near terminate near the ama, near terminate near repackage near the ama. We are prior to 2020 elections. See, I'm paying a buy. We share some pattern rules. I will say, the only district capital. At least the principal streets are a walk room to get a facelift. Now we share that particular district now.
One am moving Côte
d'Ivoire. We share boundary with Côte d'Ivoire, even one of the regional capitals of Côte d'Ivoire. And the Debia make us say, so we free Côte d'Ivoire, no Bagana or Basampa. Be a wanya kwanya antwema mabrekum. Wa anko sunyane, wa anko kumase. Na sampa no tumi dru ye na osan ko n'achia. Wa Bagana. Impression a obenya no e wo sampa no is a general impression what for me about Ghana. Enti me nka sampa nko asem ye borders no border communities no Aflao sampa elibonum ye nhwe se those communities boku ka ho boku paganum but nkro we nyina amaka na I've been to any of them ni nyina makwa libo boku minim ho minim paga minim Aflao and then other places. Maybe I no akwan. But I can tell you, say, among these border communities, no, Sampa is the largest community. Those towns, no, the largest border town. Sampa sun papa.
I've not been there, but
Aflao there is just tia. But Sampa no, eso. Obi akọ obia will tell you, say, enye kroketwa. And na economic activities are no, apart from say. Yene Côte d'Ivoire ye boshia ye di akroneba ne hunioma no ye kan kashua ifri o man we mu ekwa amanonia the 90% ifri German no
yes mo honum nkrofo bi di CFA
ye di CFA ye di CD
border no so
say border town
tu na ya wo Côte d'Ivoire
yeah, Obiafu,
boundary the Obi farm.
And Obiafu.
Nti odo na fu a, efu ne part of Côte d'Ivoire.
Ebi so oga.
Nti obi be ye adwuma nopa. Na wakwakoda. Obi yire e wo Côte d'Ivoire, oye adwuma nopa na wakoda. Obi kunu wo Ghana.
Okay.
Oya na waba. But arehusem. Say pa obekọ na cashew tracks.
When you're minister for roads and highways,
my file questions. My co-minister office. Which no question is personally, my call severally. But ukwa issue na ni say sikani ho. No money syndrome. But one say to the bia na aye ridiculous kakra. The bia me kan ekwan a aban diama contract. For some decades, because previous government, we are acquiring started on my paying Kufuor pencil, you had my contract. You had to me and me, you Ramels buy any Ramahama time. You had my contract. And also, ye be a woman to me and me, and Nanado buy, or no subterminity contract, no demand, ne pafufro. And do we have 3 successive governments now? Be a Edinens Hacken. But ni esi na yaja kwano ato ho. Ba se akọ constituency a aban a woso nkrofo. Me na da bia di mi si radio so e bo me branse mentumi enye akwan no. But you know very well, sir, when it comes to the issues of roads, MP was said any say ubetwi aban na dwen asi so say makwan ye. But say resources na ye di be ya sa akwan no. You don't have it. Honorable Epe wo ha. Honorable Meboa.
We dan ayo so wo no.
Oh, I'm not running away. Me ba mame lande.
Okay.
Issue ni say like the impression out there ni say una akandie no ewo wunsem.
Yeah.
But akandie ni wunsem. Wo de ni say wo besre. Ene na wo bisa yewura mo akwanta bedi hu adanse. I've been to his office severally on the floor of the house. My filing questions at the number abibisa no. Yewia me ye follow up ekoho na nyina ne se sika ni ho ye ho amobo ye hospital aye say ye be upgrade hospital no om say omo de akoka sino hydro second phase no last me bisa question ye sika number and the sino hydro second phase number ntino me hospital na upgrading akaho. So I was even asking say na de ntina ye hwe sino hydro number na fe ye agenda 111 na se bi yamfa yanka
Muni agenda 111
debi
Muni district hospital
yeah what district hospital but district hospital say say a befitting the status of the district hospital.
Okay people, so more because I know say agenda 111 no for district any district hospitals.
Yeah what district hospital
But
no, agenda 111.
Okay.
Agenda 111 it be a regional hospital.
Yes.
It be a
district hospital.
It be an upgrading of an
existing. So we were saying say the old
bro. On say me na ye dey agenda 111 buy no. So no can sanity and then the ko buy no say. And so na agenda 111 be ba no. Na Sano Hydro me na me chair a committee to pass the 2 billion Sano Hydro agreement in Parliament. Until the rules and a rules maybe we have the upgrading of certain facilities including health centers. Yeah, they are coming. It is a agenda 111 no. Sano Hydro a cover will upgrading of your hospital. Yes, I'm repeating for agenda 111 and cover. But since you know, your pass agenda 111, we are selected communities now is ongoing. And our cover says so. No Canada don't have information.
Oh yeah, that is the fact that I'm telling you.
All Canada not just say after passage of agenda 111, I start here Jumano. Na cover says Sano Hydro portion na the Baba on
upgrading.
Okay. The person me change the entire agenda 111 and cover it no because time I hear none of them was under contract.
Yeah, no, but they are Sino Hydro.
Exactly.
But Sino Hydro no.
And say Sino Hydro and good. There was a government and so very another package.
I have even asked a question as to what the government is doing, looking for another source of funding, Nanka or Maye. But bizarre, nothing definite is being given. Okay. But as I say, at you for I'm not running away. MPM, I said, say, may advocacy on behalf of my people. But the bus does not finally stop at me. Obi wa who consider the every no more no abey adinama. Nti do this record now anyama. What do you do?
But I say. Honorable Aynkwa MP for Jama North and
anti manchiam crop wompo. It's say wa manchia.
Say ma wa kan ya esinchia.
Anti mechia Jama North for enkanka my constituency executives. Na menu Eric so machia no. So timenka na say me hu no. And then me free me Nancy Kwanswa meko. Oh yeah.
Some recess.
Your recess and run a break here. My branch here back. Na ye adwuma me branch executive. Now ye distance program. I will drop. Yeah, neighboring constituency. Or train final exams or the moto. Or kwano su no nika ekushia. Uprai pa kese. Eko kuma kura me de ne ko konfa nochi para mususu mu anyeye ti wa free mu nyame ya aduma ochina na abusiafo ayese bepe no kura bre se na se me tutum na enyina yeko ye abusiafo no dom na ye pene ye man be fitting barrier te samre mefa kwanya so na ma hia na busiafo nyina na mama mo yakọ meka na me bo yenua mane maka se nyame emfa ne kra ensi yie na ya yaka no nyankopon omo ye ho ban na wokọ no one nananom samanfo mo mpa ye ne yie se ne be ya ahokyere ya ne ene ne wo mu a ene wakọ agya ye no nyame betie ne mpa ebo na nyame ayi afiri sa ahokyere no meka ahokyere na amamu boni ya de bia
I did two for Mamma Joey Emrana affirmation for the say FM3 NPP presidential race e we say semia e ba hwe e ba ise I shall say ewa Samuel Ipe Mami starting freeze of course Oka John Alan Kojo Chamatin campaign team when they are raising concern about some anomalies be more discover on the delegates register the anomalies sir.
Chief of you. Me, police station chairman back home, Fanta. As a matter of fact, we are disabled. So party be biara, be who no kita no clutch sebi, no DH. The year so ye women organizer. The year that me ko share wan a, me no mo kasa se me sanga ba bi mu. Ono na yiri nyina e wo ho. Na no, fra me na yiri afi mu ya.
Oh.
China memene na ebe kwa kwesi no e won franta misre party fu nyina obi ani misafo ene ne situation na o a na yere ewu eja yonko enye se wo ko ta yi na sikigigi asen akobo ne ka yemfa donation yemfa nkobo a misafo e won franta na onsi ne yere that's MPP ye kwa akoto aba na ye yen presidential candidate obi kita franka aba yen 2024 elections. Yashase. Delegates ni na file. So aspirants ni na file omo nominations. Na yewo Article 13 of Young Party Constitution and the echere kwan ayefa so epaw Franka Tunia obedi anim.
Okay.
Na oba clause 9 13 echere se nipa a Obukako file no so we more than 5 yanko special delegates congress and elections na yanko to aba na yanko yi emu enum 5 not more than 5 na said the pay and afei yebema 208,000 delegates across the country because akwishia na ongakoto won so aba ampa afei di no ye file nominations we no akoye 10 instead of 5 seal points. It's never see a quarter special delegates elections. Na no na clause 9 B no echere nipa mrama ho kwan se okugina na otoaba. Baako the National Council members, the National Executive Committee, the Regional Executive Committee. Yeah, regional executive committee yeah. All the regional executives and the former the regional executive in all the 16 regions, all members of the National Council of Elders. You see what National Council of Elders, all party members of Parliament. We are member of Parliament.
Present members,
not former present members of Parliament. And the 3 representatives of each of special groups is being named in the constitution. Okay, it states clearly, Merinti, MIN, Ubia, or qualify say. So we na party no, ebe set up a committee, election committee, ebe supervise presidential elections. The committee this year, they'll be guided by this article 13(9) specify hina na mbara man ho kwan so nkoto abani bi
special delegates.
Okay. Now already are prepared register. Okay. For fairness, we prepare register ni wi a nipa 10 na ye gina ana wo gina no ato won so aba no e wo se amu bi akopi no hwem nti general secretary ba appointing say register na ready na mum a provisional register. Nti odema ye na ye hwem na obia wo bibia won ton ho ase a na Fabra, as a matter of fact, so we should move here. Also put it into writing. say ade we na mehu na odi akoma committee ni through the general secretary na won ahwe no ma correct nti ye be wie no 26 August we dey kwakoto saba no ni ye nya register ye to aba ni wie a nipa 10 na ejina no obi anka ho asem aya na me mpese party sema aya wose ye kan afisem no ye ba betena radio so ne aka because we general secretary no wa makwan say hwe register ni na se wonti bibi ho ase afabra ana A for P Alan for president yentim no ya hwemu ni ya hunyama bi a ye di say entwa yie o register ni ma ehia nsakrai senior general secretary case ye nkyerɛ ho no ana ya kyerɛ ne ye de akɔ ye da sɔre ya ye letter na ya kyerɛ de akɔ say general secretary nso non correct ni enya register be accepted by all no that social media say about social media the main media no the traditional media also ebenya kope na there's something for discussion because as same way and what's anke discussion wa ebeba bonten emra ye de akoma general secretary na general secretary de akoma committee no na committee si da bi ampre okay and na fi dey see ye ba bonten be come asem na discuss but we niama baby to say upper east region young regional research and relations officer your friend Edward Nabi ya main fan currency wefim na general secretary akese obia ya started processing from polling station eba constituency elections eba regional elections eko national elections one to sa abani bi no woni ho kwan say obato special delegates ene we ni nyina because main elections ya pese confusion baba ena obi awu ena we na no to be my replace no it is shani says obi fima yema obi act in his position. Okay. But say nipa no one two that last elections ni bia. Okay. Sa we so to me and to be. It is obi film na you be man acting position now. No what acting position only voting right. He's acting in the capacity of the person who is diseased. Okay. Nti wono we just in acting position you don't vote. Only vote. Yeah, sa crofuni bia you replace you. Some of the regions and they identify their command regional secretary general secretary no so be boachi their command committee na aka committee ne ba out no so mpene and na better topic for discussion. Okay, so the issue is say mo letter na mo de coin no obi na eleki. Yes, mo the letter na ma general secretary. Yes, so the letter was between the Alan Chirematin campaign team and the general secretary of NPP. Yeah, untumi enka sa e bia make say general secretary so aboachi dey akoma election committee I don't know. But oboachi so omama ya we na. O da bi ye benya response no from him. From general secretary. Yes, so obi when your response from general corrections no you miss our stage. When your response from the so the akoma committee. Yes, so on fanko. So it means now we haven't gotten to that. So it still now sit between Alan campaign team and the general secretary. Me pese ye be limiting to that point because make I say who can say make I say be na general secretary so aboachi the akoma committee no and na obi at the committee na nya no like to stop no wo ha na wa limit ade ni nyina but who say now ka say so wo ye ne sa obemu yi masotre by writing ese boy na mo de buy no ma boachi the akoma election no yes na me patch okay where corrections ni we are o may aso ate so okay like the consensus na mo raise here yes has been corrected and I say where the explanation we always say yeah for instance what can article 13.9 na baby anu ha obetumi di chief of staff ashe so voting right okay we say 9 no ni pe we say to about those council members near the admin nyina but chief of staff din wo mu say oye o vote nti no so ye penchiremu ani a revised edition ye penchiremu e bia make say na committee ni betuma chiremu e ma ya ate ase ne ntia chief of staff to abedi me pass ye create impression bi say no ni voting right chief of staff on to abedi bi say na lipa bi kan no me menyo ntomo sa ye penchiremu okay why e ye bia na general secretary and the committee no e won ye ntia chief of staff voting right wo be chiremu na pass ma why not. But is it the first time chief of staff to? Well, say I had the way campaign be 2014 ni chief of staff 2014 ni chief of staff. Na ye ni certain any ministers. First, I'm going to say, you see, I've been a minister, I've been a chief of staff. But the question is, for the first time, near chief of staff be error to Abeni. Because no, but to
Constitution special delegate Congress, must say.
Oh, and then one more chief of staff ding.
What ministers ding?
Or chile nipa category of people who are what me a formal register.
Okay.
Now you who be a chief of staff measure.
Okay.
And then the first time I got to buy a chief of staff. Into our committee to me chile you chief of staff voting right.
But
now even my own people, my become people are the A4P campaign team for me. The way I been handle our issue. Personally, I'm not happy with. Hey, be a chief of staff Robert to about my land. It's no. Why? So if there's no justification, they should remove her name.
More former MPs at Waba.
Okay. 20 votes.
Yes. 4th January, don't know.
Yeah.
4th November, I don't know.
Yeah.
And I'm about to be as a council council of elders in my constituency.
Okay.
But special way the men to be.
Okay.
Inti bia no nipa no kura a woka no. Bia no beto ama candidate.
Mem pam no.
Inti mem pam no mom no gen chire mu.
Why?
Say pass my fine. And to assume one sister. For instance, when you say the computer na yuma. Computer be to me am duplicating. Don't say bia obe duplicate. Obe say bia I pay we to me photo. Me din wa say obe print na ba double.
Yeah.
Inti anu hu a we film. But here duplication bi wo ma. Onipa ne de Victoria Owusu Kwisi.
Okay.
Our Ashanti region.
Okay.
Now that same person, Nidinya say Victoria Owusu Achian.
That same person. The same picture.
The same picture.
Duplication. And when I'm
about duplication say Victoria Owusu Kwisi. As singer by say Victoria Owusu Kwisi. Then you can say it's a genuine duplication.
Okay.
It is ultimately about twice. But say ding Victoria Owusu Kwisi.
Okay.
Now duplication here Victoria Owusu Achian. It's not the same name.
But with the same picture.
Into be jina ho. No kese me near frame Victoria Owusu Achian. Na photo no na duplicate here.
Yeah.
All right so to.
Sure.
But Sanka Victoria Owusu Kwisi. Victoria Owusu Kwisi twice is no issue because one Victoria Owusu Kwisi
and bet me at Waba.
It is a duplication there. Either say we provide the end. Who is Victoria Owusu Achian?
And who is Victoria Owusu Kwisi?
When you never be keka, administratively no be corrected. But you mean when you was Sanka at this stage no.
So the only issue.
Oh, me issue. Many issue. Na nye
duplication.
Nye ni omo na ye hwe o man.
Say duplication. Omo dey akoko to pay.
And duplication one say yes we will of one sir.
Okay.
Na wa hwe o de.
Okay.
Na no ya na ekọ ye presidential primaries ewie ye. Na am say similar issues are ye lam tremantin raise ye papa Kwabrando for ne campaign team raise similar issues. Emma Eka a day to election no oka say election be grania wa filing a nomination we guy. E ba ye no yeti ni aye nuanom ekeka ye oh NDC enye democratic ye democratic credentials aye wo ni ye ni ye di rodi ye chinchim ye wura Kwabrando for answer a whole lot of issues and a koy. What are we seeing today? I'm in parliament. Yenina ye observe ni eco parliament. Me in a way, fine, me support to ubia, but Mecca said the system is not fair to some of the candidates.
The NPP system.
Yes, it's not fair to some of the
government
candidates.
Machinery.
The government machinery. I can say almost take you almost standard, and nobody can tell you say the government machinery is not in support of the vice president to be the next flag bearer of NPP. It's a fact, and he can't deny it. You're right, maybe you will not sit on air here to say it, but you know. They say action speaks louder than words. Uko parliamenta. Yeah, it's like people have been coerced to toe a particular line. Ebinum si say, yeah, dear, some boy a tima bakura, ni aye ya ni ye omo a omatimi agina omo na so ba majority na because of ehu bi a ewo ba bi nti no omo nyina abotwi na omo akwakugu ba bi na nyene na saa ne omo yi ahyase me de ne mesre omo ne se yenim said they are on their way to exit from government our co-opposition. We want a credible opposition. Say ye beba power yi. Omo tra opposition na omo criticize ya na montu obinu. Nye so ya take sa criticism so in good faith. Na ya to me e di oman ya be si ne sibra na ewo. Ene hwe dollar e ye sibi ni dollar. Ene hwe patrol bo amanfo to ayento. And look at the issues. We are all aware of the hardship in this country. NDC Beba, with the Rajon Dramani Mahama, nearby redeem this country from the dismal and the cruel performance. Nana Odi and young, Odi, how you know? And into baby, I do know. As I say, NDC Yeba. But yes, whether Baumi or whether Alano, MPP co-position. Maybe. Se udi prakunam eko meka hwan na beto ubeboka Baumia prakunam Alan prakunam Kennedy prakunam bubo mudi ne baba udi ko yewa witness for dia udwa beba pa se we ye nkramofo okay enti meka de ukoton sesi a o man na be ye meka o okay sa prakunam nyina ne odi beba dwaso bia no obesan do kenten akọ wanwe kura ne apa abo. I'm telling you, Ghanaians are angry and Ghanaians are ready to vote massively against this government. Me I hear me one say some confidence say oh we can break the 8, we can break the 8. How do you break the 8? Unless say bia schemes are more useful, but this time round, we will let the Ghanaians votes count. And immediately, I wish you say, yeah, mechanic or ye bino. Okay. But they should tread cautiously. We want their party not in a fragmented manner. Ye person mo kan boom. Say ne be ya ye ba. Ye juma pa ye ya magana no. They can also guide us. No mo di omo opinions aba. Na fe ya include omo ne etu omo fo a omo mfa because afutu obi abema omo bia no omo mfa yes starting catch omo say mo nkwa IMF yes ye nkwa IMF ne ye nkwa IMF kina am say we shi jon kuma wa madam ba no it's my good friend and my brother seriously ye wa yon kufa that na okasa I was there me nuani say ye nkwa IMF ne ye nkwa kina where are we today enra na oye debate a day before yesterday no oye debate no be say una agina chamber ha e kan categorical say ye nkwa IMF o say o ye frustrate yi levy e na ma o manya process unnecessary o munya na di o mo call IMF
and he is right.
What right? Did we frustrate IMF?
Yes, you did that in parliament.
The e-levy.
In parliament.
Were Ghanaians willing?
You did that in parliament.
Ghanaians, were they willing to pay that tax?
But I say,
we don't want a one-party state. You John Dramani. Ni why you cannot say a war? Hey, I'm telling you, Ghanaians are calling for the man.
Okay, but I say, I require a member of Parliament, Malaysia, which I'm not about to Mpensenpensemu. Ugusu share Mpensenpensemu on Badwam or Adom TV. So, shall we embrace here? Yes, say time. Game Park eba. Yeah, bought numbers number winning numbers no. Eti mua mutimi HB from Enura BC anope no. Na nkono pepepe the Game Park by Kanketesi National Lottery Authority for Daruma. And aso mo echi ema edimu Ghana mamra ekwanso. Ti na nkono pepepe the numbers ni yabebro. No who the winning numbers na anope and so etuja. I think we start to wait for influence na quick kwanaja emfa enyi. National Cathedral, as speaker, set up a committee to probe National Cathedral. Are the idea being?
Yo, Minia. Sir, Cathedral, Nasem, MPI. A dining yesi.
Omugususi.
Who call site or Naseni?
Oh, we am say, Wednesday, be Tuesday rather.
I won't say, yeah, you
I'm sick Omugusu AC.
I want to.
There's
nobody there.
wako edura
na nya ho ne fa akọ adwuma parliament ni na asase ni ni anya ho ne fa ye kwa
ura insa kwa yaje wo so na mabonte wo
ho ugina wa se wo hu ne ekoso me no eto da bia me di ya wo makoma
ade
the idea say yenya national cathedral emo my way it's not a bad idea and I'll be the last person as a devoted Christian say I will kick against this say you know they are not kicking against this idea. I believe say you share cathedral yasi chief imam mpo e contribute to some amount say yemfa enye seed money nti hwe Accra any the environs nsase a yewo na anu ya ne pa mama for free abubushi asase na nda ho e de ne aye no asase
say be one
no na make say de ne aye no wo asase
say be ya je na 111
wo hwe abubushi asase a eda ho na de tutu sa asase a eda ha ya asase e wo ha esu ye and the area is even strategic nti ye si bibi sei e de amanyamia den de ngo pa asase foforo na no me kogumwa fete na menim se Pentecost for aye bibi sa asiwo na me wura ho no na ma say the Church of Pentecost is a serious church development a omo aye wasase no so wo ene ye one church o se asorumpo atumi aya a sovereign nation like Ghana ye ka say ye ya with all our resources we can do even more and better than what they have done there. Ukohwe auditoriums o masi me mankan kra no auditoriums amekom omo auditorium be mako 4 ba ko ayeye program wom no etumi efa nipa over 5,000 Church of Pentecost mpo atimi ayewe goma fete central region na oman Ghana ade ba ko amehu ni se ba bia omakosi center no ama development HC center no enti se ye call area like Shire Hills Ayensuano and other areas are a ben Accra Ayensuano cry is a nice ade
Accra is now Ayensuano now is now suburb of Accra.
Yes say triple carriage you say dual carriage or more they are expanding the
6 lane
the 6 lane Accra to Kumasu Ayensuano eno open up
Accra to Ayensuano kana ma Ayensuano
Accra to Ayensuano mate Ayensuano na ope na wo hwe kwan no say ne ye bi kwan wu na ochina na near future ye wie kwan ya traffic congestion is a thing of the past and this say ye national emolument bi wo ho a going there is not a problem and that will even encourage people to develop towards that area na ye jai sansa si we nyina na aban resources a was spending ediasisi institutions yebu passport office eguye e that same place yebu scholarship secretariat eguye judicial training institution yebu guye ye judges institution na ye training omo apart from their bungalows no mo wo training institution wo wa ye training judges no ya appoint wa ye do ko eko kirekire nyoma ansana wakohye wadwuma di ase eho na institution no wo ansana judges nankasa bungalows na omo dam Mali ambassador ni residence eho na ewo ye wi ese saa dan nyina even 2010 me ba scholarship secretariat me ba na judges ne bungalows no bi o se honorable mu de mo anana mo pa binum wa afekura na omusi.
Okay.
And some of these buildings were less than 10 years.
But I say
any bugu.
Okay.
Maybe oh, mami we.
Me time so aswano, me sropa, me time aswano.
Yo, minu
what land here by fache me?
Sir, Honorable Speaker of Parliament,
okay,
upon a request or a petition.
Yeah.
Also, a formal committee. Me and can say Speaker and Kasana a formal committee. No, there was a petition
yeah,
from a group or an individual. Now, per our parliamentary standing orders.
And then even the constitution.
Yeah, I would say
Article 103.
Or refer to an ad-hoc committee to investigate. See, me who anything wrong with that. Now, me person lawyer be church when he say, yeah, man, yeah, say, yeah, National Cathedral no and yeah a pine per se and AC private association and same groups being a donation from all groups and a president remember Sikaka Kra Efi government coffers aqua support and a donation of government here by land or the support to projects in Inti say parliament okay. Government and as a amount interest akumo. So I agree. But for be a many many I say maybe this I use and a lot of kwanga if Accra Central akusi Pukuase Dwaka Ridge Road.
Okay.
Na Pukuase interchange na picking over.
But I say get back. I take you over. But I say to get back. Be uncle I take you over. The car use numbers. I can remember use